Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is Suzuki Gixxer. Super mind-blowing performance and nice design. Here you can see, coming to the headlights, three partition in the headlights detail. You can see three partitions in the headlights, and down one and up one are completely LEDs, and here you can see the middle one will come at the when vehicle is on. So full of LEDs, nice treatment, nice design, unique performance. And here you can see the indicators are bulbs. So coming to the front, these are the telescopic shock absorbers. Awesome performance, I can say, very good. Matte black finishing. I like the color of the vehicle. Here you can see the ABS, front as ABS. So this is 280 mm of disc brake, and here you can see the Vibra of disc brake companies. So nice solid telescopic shock absorbers front. So here you can see the tire size, MRF tires here, and the profile of the tire is 110 17 inches tires. These are 17 inches tires. So nice performing, design is awesome, I can say. Tires profile is also nice. Here you can see the alloy wheels, silver cross cutting finishing of alloy wheels. These are 10 spoke alloy wheels, nice design. So there you can see nice excellent performance design. So these are tubeless tires. So tire profile is nice. So coming to the side profile, here you can see this is a side profile of the Gixxer. So here you can see Gixxer 250. So 250 has it is in black, so you can't see it. So Suzuki oil cooling system, so it is oil cooled engine. So this is the engine of this copper finishing, copper matte finishing of the engine. Nice color treatment on engine. So here you can see black finishing, Suzuki logo here again. So here you can see the lid of engine oil from here. SEP Suzuki Eco Performance. So it's a Eco Performance engine, very nice. See the design exactly on the petrol tank, awesome, and nice plastic finishing. So metal finishing on the tank. Suzuki badge here, Gixxer here again. You can see the driving seat, nice cross cutting. So completely it is competition to the Yamaha FZ. So nice performance, nice design, unique design. So coming to the rear, here you can see the foot pegs of front rubber grab finishing. Here you can see there is no finishing of rubber, aluminium finishing of foot pegs. So here you can see the silencer. All the Gixxer silencers are same and design is same. So chrome treatment, dual tone chrome treatment, and matte finishing on silencer. So coming to the rear shock absorber, 7-way adjustable monopoly single shock absorber, white colored treatment in black matte finishing, excellent look. And see the size of the shock absorber, very big, very large, nice. And coming to the rear, there is no ABS on the disc brake. So this is 240 mm of disc brake. So nice treatment, and it is ABS, so nice, good. So here you can see it has dual channel ABS, completely closed and neat finishing, quality of good design. And tire profile of rear is MRF tires and 150 60 17 inches tires. These are rear as 17 inches also tires. So alloy wheels, I like the design on alloy wheels on this vehicle. So here you can see the rear brake oil leak. So nice treatment. Coming to the rear, Suzuki has same unique design of all taillights. So V-shaped taillight LEDs. So nice treatment on taillights, and indicators are bulbs on rear. So same treatment as SF and Gixxer. So there is no difference between this treatment. So here you can see the mudguard of Gixxer, nice treatment, same unique design as compared to all Gixxer's bike. So coming to here you can see the Sadi guard, and this is the open chain engine. So here you can see complete outlook of chain and nice finishing, nice close treatment. So this is a pillion seats, driver seat and pillion seat are split, and nice finishing. So these are the grabs for the pillion holders. And here you can see the plastic finishing, nice, and some more copper design, copper color on here. Design also unique design, nice. And here you can see the petrol tank, very large, and cross cuttings are many. BS6 logo here, warning indication, and fuel lid. Suzuki badge here, FI fuel injection. So coming to the handlebars, horn is large enough, indicators, high beam and low beam pass light. Clutch is very awesome, I can say, very slippery clutch, and engine kill switch, startup button. So coming to the instrument cluster, here is a key placement. So coming to the instrument cluster, full pipe, here you can see go, and gear indication is here, RPM meter and odometer, time, fuel indication, trip A, trip B, odometer, etc. adjust. And I can say Suzuki has same instrument cluster to all the bikes, so there is no difference. One disappointing is there is no Bluetooth connection to this instrument cluster on this bike. so that is not a big matter. So here you can see the gap between the handlebars and fuel tank, and completely FZ design. So there is tough competition between the FZ, Yamaha FZ and Suzuki Gixxer. So I think the Gixxer is giving better performance to me, better than the FZ, and color treatment is nice, unique design, type profile is nice, performance is very awesome. I like the design, and it also get a competition in KTM Duke 250. I have forgot that also a competition to the KTM 250. So Duke also come in this competition. So we'll see which will be the performance is the best. And here you can see the silencer of Gixxer. This is a BS6 engine, very nice and refined and punchy engine, very silent, and silencer sound is also very nice. Side view mirrors are good view and nice design, cross cutting, so diamond shape design. So this is a walk around video of Suzuki Gixxer 250. So let's go to test drive and see how the performance it is. So hey guys, let's go to test drive and see. First is first. So very silent engine. See the silencer sound very nice. So first gear. RPM at 40 speed, 7,700 RPM at 60 speed, 7,500 RPM at 70 speed, 4th gear. Very nice performing, awesome I can say. Nice punch level and nice pickup on this vehicle. So if you go for a racing and street rider, I can say best bike. So if you are a street rider, please go to this vehicle, Suzuki Gixxer. Awesome performance, nice pickup and nice punchy in the mid level, and pickup also nice when you are starting with the first gear. So it gives a complete 100% result that it has a value for money, I can say. It has complete value of money. And radius is also nice without keeping a legs down. I have done so short radius vehicle, and position of bike is very nice, comfort. So nice position. See the legs I have kept, and handlebars are wide enough. So nice view of front. Seating position is awesome, I can say. Not at all difficult in riding in cities, long drives, metropolitan cities, street rides. Especially I can say that this bike is made for street riders, because nice punchy performance, nice torque, and very good performance I can say. Suzuki had made awesome performance in this BS6 Gixxer. So now you can see the suspension, nice performing suspension also. Front has telescopic shock absorber, and they are very large enough shock absorbers, whereas single monopoly shock absorber 7-way adjustable. Nice performance of suspension. Brakes are too good, I can say. Both are disc brakes and ABS, dual channel ABS on this bike, and nice treatment of brakes. Awesome performance of brakes. Overall vehicle is awesome, I am saying. There is no name for this vehicle and no minus points in this vehicle. So if you are in any gear like 3rd gear or 4th gear, easily it will be performing, and it will be pick up from the whichever gear you are. So easily it is giving a punchy and nice performance. So this vehicle has 26 bhp of power at 9,300 rpm and 24 newton meters of torque at 7,300 rpm, as Suzuki said. So nice performance, nice torque, and nice bhp of power. And the capacity of fuel is 12 liters, and the mileage of this vehicle is 35 kilometers per liter. Nice mileage and nice performance of 250cc in this. For every moment you are enjoying on this bike. See, now I'm in 4th gear. Awesome performance, awesome I can say. For street riders who are interested, definitely go through this bike. And if you keep the off the market silencer, as you can see, very good. And if you get excited to this bike, and nice punchy performance, mid-range is nice. Overall vehicle is super duper excited to drive, and I'm excited to keep throttle once again. So Nice. See the brakes. See, ABS is working excellent on this vehicle. Easily I can say, if you are pressing a single brake, so ABS is completely nice, completely giving performance of ABS 100%. So RPM meter is not so soon raving because it is a 250cc single cylinder oil cooled engine, and overall good performance, good pickup. I was expected, it is more than my expectations. I want to give once again a throttle to this vehicle. It is a 6-speed manual transmission, and the position of this vehicle is awesome, I can say. Very short position, and because of that position and driving, very nice. Gear indication on the instrument cluster, very good. See, now I'm in the 5th gear and the speed is 50, so easily it is raving and giving a good performance. So once again, let's give a throttle and see. So now I'm in the 1st gear. 8000 RPM at 40 speed, 1st gear. 8000 RPM at 60 speed at 2nd gear. 8500 RPM at 80 speed, 3rd gear. Excellent performance, excellent, awesome. The engine is, for every time it is giving a good pickup, good excitement, good punchy, and very good. The gear sound is somehow high. It's not a big issue. So excellent performance, nice torque on this 250cc engine. Suzuki had made excellent, and I am giving to this vehicle 10 out of 8. Very nice performance. Seating position also nice, tire profile is high, suspension nice, braking superb. Price segment is also not so high, not so low. Good price, I can say. On road Hyderabad, it is 1,77,000 Suzuki Gixxer. So good price, very nice performance. Acceleration is too good for street rides, for stunts who are too interested. Then definitely go to this bike. So this is a review of test drive and walk around video of Suzuki Gixxer. Awesome performance, I can say. Definitely go through this bike. So if you want to buy this bike, please visit Kukatpalli Y Junction Suzuki showroom. Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and follow me on Instagram, link in the description. So please subscribe and show to the Suzuki showroom bikes. You get the best offers and best dealing offers. So thank you so much for watching. I will enjoy this ride.